Tango 21 to Mr Chippie. I'm actually on record. I remember to press the button this time.
Oh good, I'm just letting the aircon kick in slightly before I set off.
Okay, so we're testing the Kernow Beta 1100, which worked very well on the test bench, and I've every faith it will work the full 6 miles of our test route to the wrong side of a hill here in sunny Lincolnshire.
Can you confirm you're receiving me over?
Yes, Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear.
Yeah, roger, I'm just setting off.
So we're on the 17th of July. And it's 4:45 in the afternoon. Right, I take it you're on the lane now.
Yeah, I've just reversed out, I'm now on the lane.
And this kind of radio doesn't have a meter on it, so I can't tell you how many candles you're burning. Oh no, good buddy, or any of that rubbish over.
Candles, that was your sister.
Yes, she pressed transmit, looked down at the meter. She was about 19 at the time, and somebody said to her, "How many candles are you burning?" She says 4.
Yeah, another jukebox moment. Right, I'm now on Wilsford Road.
Roger, Dodger, let me know when you get to the petrol station. So it's now just over half a mile away, and of course it's loud and clear as you'd expect. These are PR2794 specification, so it's the revamped version of 2781. So it's the UK channels FM, and these.
Mr Chippie just passing the petrol station now.
Excellent, thank you very much. I think these have proved to be very reliable and very popular. Dead basic, on off volume and squelch. It's got PA facility, up down. It starts off on channel 9, which can be frustrating, and then you've got a channel 9 switch as well. Got a TX light, as you can see the display is green. We're running this on its internal speaker, just propped up on that. Well, that was inevitable, wasn't it? So he's now about a mile away.
Usually for me, I'm usually quite good at that. Anyway, we're on the move again.
Right, if you let me know when you get to the quarry. The quarry's at the top of the hill, and that's about mile and 3/4 away from here. Then he'll drop over the hill into the village of Wilsford.
Passing the quarry now.
Roger on that, or you let me know when you get to the electronic 30 sign.
Or the top of the hill.
I was thinking about the one entering the village. The village, I can't speak. So Wilsford, it's such a bad radio black spot, you can't even do entertainment radio on your car.
Top of the hill.
Well, it goes without saying that's loud and clear.
Roger.
You've been to Wilsford today already? So the road goes from a 60 to a 30, and it's an electronic sign which tells you your speed, and he'll hopefully... There we are. Oh, you're obviously within the rules there, otherwise you'd be being chased by a police car at this point.
He's a little scratchy here, but that's normal. Just going round the corner near the turnpike after Wilson village itself.
Oh, absolutely, yes, there's surface noise on yourself, and that's to be expected. So hopefully as he comes away from the base of the hill towards a level crossing, by which point he'll be about 3.5 miles from here, and it should actually improve. So not only will he be the wrong side of the hill, but he'll be surrounded by trees. So not only will he be the wrong side of the hill, but he'll be surrounded by trees. So not only will he be the wrong side of the hill, but he'll be surrounded by trees. So not only will he be the wrong side of the hill, but he'll be surrounded by trees. So not only will he be the wrong side of the hill, but he'll be surrounded by trees. So not only will he be the wrong side of the hill, but he'll be surrounded by trees. So not only will he be the wrong side of the hill, but he'll be surrounded by trees. So not only will he be the wrong side of the hill, but he'll be surrounded by trees. So not only will he be the wrong side of the hill, but he'll be surrounded by trees. So not only will he be the wrong side of the hill, but he'll be surrounded by trees. So not only will he be the wrong side of the hill, but he'll be surrounded by trees. So not only will he be the wrong side of the hill, but he'll be surrounded by trees. So not only will he be the wrong side of the hi most of the buildings in the village of Wilsford are stone built. So again, that absorbs radio signals.
Right, past Wilson level crossing.
Roger on that, that's fine. Bit of surface noise as to be expected. Give me a call when you're coming up to the Kelby Road, please.
Roger.
So that's the 3.5 mile mark. So wrong side of a hill, past a village sort of stone buildings and surrounded by trees. And that's why we choose this route rather than going the opposite direction where you've got a 35-mile takeoff for CB radio, but that's no good to us doing these kind of tests. We want it to be a bit more harsh environment. If you've been watching some of these videos, some of the latest models.
Right, passing the Kelby.
Excellent, that's fine, business. Yeah, some of the latest models don't do this test very well, so mind you, some of the old ones don't. So again, I was talking to the camera.
Yeah, I said there's some surface noise on your transmit and I wouldn't expect that at this point.
Oh right, well that's an interesting point, isn't it? But the radio does do a full 4 watts. Yes, we had no problem getting a full 4 watts out of this when it was on the bench. Roger, got you for Greylees. I'll just pop the squelch down. So it's now 5 miles away. It's going to South Rawsby. Used to be a large mental hospital there in times gone by. So he's not handing himself in there for a padded cell. Right, well if you'd like to turn round and park up and I'll change the radios over.
Roger, I'm just losing you at that point completely. I think that's about it.
No, it picks back up again and it has indeed with you. Right, well that concludes that. That works fine. What you'd expect. Nice radio. So that's the Kernow Beta 1100 from about 94, 95. So we'll swap it over and on the way back we're going to test the Beta 2100, which is the same chassis with a few more little trinkets on it.